Oh, guys, I forgot to read from Ephesians 4:25. The clue that was the best analog for everything anyway. Just hang on. Exodus 23:9. Now, I'm going to include this in a separate clip anyway. For Exodus 23:9, Moses says, don't oppress sojourners because they're in the same land as us anyway. I meant to say this in my exegesis tonight. Excuse me, last minute. Ephesians 4:25 being the perfect analog for this anyway. Alright. What Paul says anyway. Alright. Therefore, having put away falsehood, let each one of you speak the truth with his neighbor. There you go anyway. For we are members of one another. The body and bride itself anyway, guys. Alright, well, love you all. And may God bless you all. Take care. Peace. Bye.